Good morning, dear children. Welcome all of you to this video session where today in this module I'm going to discuss about the 10th chapter in Indian economics named Comparative Development Experiences of India and its Neighbors. So children, you know that this is the what era of globalization. With the unfolding of the globalization process, developing countries are keen to understand the development processes pursued by their neighbors as they face competition from the developed countries and also amongst themselves. Besides an understanding of other economies in our neighborhood, it is also required as all major common economic activities in the region impinge on overall human development in a shared environment. So, children, today in this chapter, we are going to compare the developmental strategies pursued by the India and the largest two of its neighboring economies, Pakistan and China. India, Pakistan, and China are having similar physical endowments but totally different political systems. India has the largest democracy of the world, which is divided into a secular and deeply liberal constitution. Pakistan also has a another political structure, and the China has also a command economy. So recently the Pakistan started moving towards a democratic platform and the China towards a more liberal economic restructuring. So we are going to discuss about the scope, that is the development path of India and its neighbors, the development strategies and the analysis of the development strategies. The development plans of our country and its neighbors. All three countries set out their development paths roughly around the same time. India and Pakistan became independent countries in 1947. People's Republic of China came into existence in 1949. So children, when our country as well as the Pakistan became independent, they became independent in the same year 1947. And the People's Republic of China also came into existence in 1949. All countries followed the process of economic planning in the initial years of their development planning. And we know about the 5-year plans of our country. The India's 5-year plans, the first 5-year plan started from 1951 to 1956. Whereas Pakistan started its first 5-year plan in 1956. China also announced its 5-year plan, first 5-year plan in the 1953. So children, so if we analyze all these strategies, we know that there are similarities as well as the dissimilarities in their plans. And the 5-year plans that we have adopted as well as other countries 5-year plans also, it will be change in the years. And the development plan, India and its neighbors. All three countries had similar growth rates till the 1980s. India undertook economic reforms in 1991. This you have studied, isn't it, in our previous classes about the economic reforms of our country as well as the new economic policies that we have introduced in 1991. Whereas the Pakistan has also implemented the same economic reforms but in the year 1988. China in 1978. So China was the first country who have adopted the system of new economic policy as well as the various economic reforms. And if we interpret its strategies, developmental strategies of our country, the India first undertook the policy of closed trade. We know that at first our economy was not a closed at first our economy was a closed economy. No other interrelations or international trade occurred between the different countries. And the India also followed the import substitution strategies. Import substitution strategies. And the thrust or the importance was given for the employment generation schemes under the various 5-year plans. And the poverty alleviation programs and various policies have been initiated by the government to eradicate the issues of poverty as well as various socio-economic problems. So children, this is about our country's development strategies as well as the plans, the various first 5-year plans they have adopted by our country and the neighboring countries. So children, I hope the session related to this development strategies of various countries are precise for you. Thank you children for watching this video.